Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add and switch between multiple accounts on Facebook app. To do that, first of all, go to your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the right bottom corner of your screen. Then on the top, on your right side, you'll see a menu. Click on that and hit on create Facebook profile. Then select create profile and hit next. Then type the profile name whichever you want. Then hit on continue. Then your profile is created on Facebook app. You have added one profile into your Facebook app. Now to switch your profile, go back to the home page and click on the menu that is on the top of your profile page, and then you can select whichever profile you want to switch. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.